The journey of every gummy bear begins with the sweet foundation. Tons of pure granulated sugar.
Glucose syrup is added to prevent crystallization and provide that signature chewy texture. Gelatin is the structural backbone, giving the candy its unique bounce and elasticity. The slurry is heated to 240 degrees, dissolving every crystal into a uniform liquid base. A vacuum removes air bubbles, ensuring the final candy is crystal clear rather than cloudy.
Finally, natural colors and fruit flavors are injected, giving each stream its distinct personality.
Unlike hard candy, gummies are cast into non-stick trays filled with cornstarch powder.
The Mogul machine stamps thousands of cavities instantly, creating the mold for the liquid candy. Depositors inject the exact gram weight of syrup into each cavity at blinding speed. The hot jelly instantly takes the shape of the starch, capturing every detail of the bear. Once filled, the trays are automatically stacked to prepare for the long curing process. The gummies must now rest in this warm sauna for up to 24 hours to set and dry. After curing, the bucker machine flips the trays, dumping the solid gummies and starch together. Vibrating sieves separate the treasure from the sand, recycling the starch for the next batch. Nothing is wasted. The cornstarch is dried, sterilized, and sent back to the start of the line. Powerful air jets blow away the last clinging particles, leaving the candy clean but dull. Safety is paramount. Every single bear passes through a sensitivity scan before finishing. Stripped of their starch, the gummies are now ready for their final beauty treatment. To give them their signature shine, the bears are sent for a tumble in the polishing drum. A precise micro-mist of carnauba wax and oil is applied to the tumbling mass. Friction and oil work together, transforming the matte surface into a high-gloss finish. The transformation is complete. From dusty starch molds to translucent, jewel-like treats. Now glossy and non-stick, the batch is released for the final sorting stage.
Elasticity is key. A perfect gummy bear should always spring back to its original shape.
To create the variety pack, individual color batches must be brought together in perfect harmony.
Vibrating channels blend the colors, ensuring a random but even distribution for every bag.
Optical sorters ruthlessly eject any Frankenbears or clumps that don't meet the standard shape.
Sizing screens filter out any broken bits or undersized runts from the final mix.
The inspected mix begins its ascent to the high-tech weighing tower.
Thousands of finished bears accumulate, waiting for the final drop into the packaging scales.
The multi-head weigher is the brain of the operation, calculating weight combinations in milliseconds. The computer instantly selects the specific buckets needed to hit the target weight with zero error. Once calculated, the portion is dropped into the vertical form fill seal machine. Packaging film is pulled over a forming collar, creating a seamless tube ready to receive the candy. Heated jaws seal the package and cut it loose in a single motion, trapping the freshness inside. At a rate of 120 bags per minute, the loose bears are finally contained and ready for the shelf. Every single bag is weighed dynamically. If it's light by even a single bear, it's instantly rejected. X-ray scanners peer through the packaging, ensuring no foreign materials have contaminated the product. Pressure testers squeeze the packs to guarantee the airtight seal will keep the candy soft for months.
High-speed robots take over, counting and packing the units into retail-ready display cases.
Automatic tapers seal the deal, securing the cargo for shipping.
Traceability data is printed on every case, allowing the factory to track the batch globally.
Spiral conveyors elevate the finished cases to the central palletizing area, saving valuable floor space. A fresh pallet is automatically dispensed, acting as the foundation for the shipping unit. Articulated robots do the heavy lifting, stacking cases with geometric precision that never tires. The stacking algorithm interlocks the layers, creating a solid block that won't shift during transit. Stretch wrapping applies tension, locking the loose boxes into a single, weatherproof unit.
A final logistics label is applied, containing the digital passport for the shipment's global journey. Every hour, random samples are pulled from the line to undergo rigorous destruction testing.
Texture analyzers measure the chewiness factor, ensuring the perfect balance of soft and springy.
Brix levels are verified to ensure the sugar content meets the exact recipe specifications.
Machines can measure texture, but only a human palate can approve the burst of fruit flavor.
Water activity is monitored strictly. Too much moisture leads to sticky bears. Too little makes them hard.
Stress tests in incubators prove that the product will survive summer shipping conditions without melting.
The distribution center operates like a giant vending machine, managing tons of sweet inventory automatically.
Smart logistics ensure freshness, moving the oldest stock out first to maintain peak texture. From the mixing kitchen to the truck, the controlled environment ensures the candy never melts. Tamper-proof seals guarantee that the cargo arrives at the candy store exactly as it left the factory.
Millions of gummy bears, ready to bring joy, are now on their way to shelves globally.
And this is how modern factories produce gummy bears from start to finish.